So come with me for another autumn walk. So it's very windy today, so I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me, but I wish I had a better camera because there was some deer in the field right there just playing. There was 4 of them, like this small deer. I don't know what kind of deer they are, but it's so cute and it's so pretty, and I feel like my phone camera can't do it justice. But let's keep walking. Not a bad view from this little bench. So over there in the field, I don't know if you can see, where's the line? Over there there's some cows, and further down this road there's some horses and stuff. I didn't get good pictures of them today because I'm not close enough, but yeah, the view is very nice. But let's keep walking. Funny, it's been raining so much that it's left a little path for the rain. And we made it back home. Thanks for coming on a walk with me. And yes, my glasses are a little bit fogged up. I guess it was a little bit chillier outside than I realized. And now I'm a little bit warm. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Hejdå!